Alright guys, let's see what I can get. I hope I get this tank. Come on. Let's go for it. Here we go. Won't stop it on Garrett. And let's go. 3-star Rick. 3-star Mirabelle. Another 3-star Rick. 3-star Eugene. 3-star Andrea. 3-star Harley. Maggie. Oh, it's not looking good. Red Nicholas. 3-star Rick.
Boom! Yes! That's what I'm talking about! Epic Garrett in the house! Yes! Oh, Anna Andrea, 4 stars. That's right. I got it. I want it. Oh, yes. This is amazing. I don't even want to care. I want to look at the rest. There he is. Garrett. Oh, my goodness. What? What? Oh, wow. Another Joshua. That's right. Let me claim this. Got some mystery bonuses. Oh my goodness. I'm so happy right now.